Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show my Autumnal Eco dyed Digi-Kit that I have in my Etsy shop. Stay tuned to the end because I am going to do a giveaway, but let's go through the pages first. So here we go. This is the first one. And then I did a lighter version of that one. And then an even lighter one. If you wanted to write on this background, you could. And then I did lines. And I designed this kit so that, you can print it out and then just fold it. If someone wants a A6 size or a B6 or whatever, just let me know. And I will slap one up on the Etsy shop. And then I just did one with very simple lines. You could even, so you can print it out to be in your journal that way, or you could have the leaves up there if you wanted. You could also print this out on, a colored background if you wanted more color. Here is orange and a sort of purpley color and red and green and yellow because, sometimes maple trees, well, not sometimes, but maple trees are very, there's show-offs in the autumn bouquet of flowers, and they'll have like all the colors in the same tree, which is really cool. So there's that one, that's yellow, and then I have a whole page of different autumn quotes about autumn that you can use, and then I also have some individual leaves. And what I did with this, like, you can make cards, you can make tuck spots, you can make postcard, whatever you want to do. But I did this mirrored image, so if you fold it this way, if you wanted a front and back to your leaf, you could have it. And then I did 2 pages, different colors, same sort of thing, front and back, like, mirror image like that, if you wanted to do that. So there's those, and then here's these. And then I did a giant hunkin' leaf, and I thought this would be really cool if you wanted to do like, like a coloring book or something. So I should say I got this leaf from an old book, and it's an illustration, and you can see, I think it was wood etching or something, because you can see all the different marks that the artist made in making this leaf. So it's just way cool. So let me show you what I did with this kit. So this is my October gratitude journal, and I'll have a link down for a full flip through of that kit. But so this, I printed it out on cardstock, and my printer was cranky, so I just did, it can do borderless printing with inkjet, but it didn't, so then I just took some watercolor and went around the edge like that, and then there's the back. There's my quote. So I have a different quote each month and a different illustration for each month. So let's open it up. And so that's what I did. I put this, the red leaf on the background, and then I printed out one of those and just made a tuck spot. And here's some of the pages I did. So again, cranky printer, I matched the color with some watercolor and just went around the edge. And then I also included some tea stain paper. So, and then I did some watercolor on the back. More tea stained. And then, how cool is that? So I don't know what I'm going to do with this middle, but I'll do something special, I guess, like favorite quotes or favorite things I'm grateful for, or I don't know, something. Okay, some more tea stained, more leaves, and there's the back. So let me show you what else I was playing with, because this is fun. All right. So first of all, I fussy cut a bunch of these, which was lots of fun. And then I printed out, this was the purple one, and then I tea stained it. And look, and now again, inkjet, so the colors are gonna run. But look at that, how cool is that? It looks really eco-dyed. So I think I'm gonna play more with that. And there's the back. I just thought that was really fun. So, okay, giveaway. And I know for all my many fans down under in Oz that it's like opposite land. We're opposite land for you because it's spring right now, and autumn for us. And also your drain circle clockwise. Anyway. I am going to do a giveaway for the Digi-Kit. So just like, subscribe, comment down below your favorite thing about autumn or spring, Grace, if you have a favorite thing. And I'll do a drawing in a couple weeks. How about that? So, okay, I think that's it. Yeah. All right. And I did another thing with the kit, after I finish this one, but I'm going to show that in a separate video. So, okay, I'll see you later. Bye.